Did you know that the 0.01 lot size have never made anybody to be rich or wealthy in this forex business before? If you have anybody that's been rich and wealthy with 0.01 lot size, you could let me know. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Chairman DAOM, and I'm happy to be in your face again, guys. Welcome. Today we are going to be discussing a very interesting topic. And what it is about, what is a prop firm? What is a proprietary firm? Let me give us an overview of what this video is going to be talking about so that we can dive into it one after the other. Firstly, on my PC here, what is a prop firm? We're going to be dealing with that today. And the importance of prop firm, who is a funded trader. We're going to also be reviewing some popular prop firm, and at the same time, how to take advantage of prop firm. And lastly, psychology of trading prop firm. Those are the points we are going to be covering in this video, and I'll encourage you to stay from the beginning to the end of this video, as I'm going to leave no stone unturned. And at the same time, guys, click on the subscribe button right now if you have not subscribed to this channel, and at the same time give me a like right now, and then give some comments what you learned from this video at the end of this video. Put the bell notification on if you are just subscribing. That will let you to know if I'm dropping another amazing valuable videos like this. So welcome back again. I'm Chairman DAOM, and what I do is that I'm a forex trader. I'm a trader. Like I trade cryptocurrency, I trade stocks, I trade commodity, and at the same time I educate. I give free values. If you are new, you should know that I have a Telegram channel where I give absolutely free values. I give free signals. I give free forex education. In fact, my DM is open at any time for guidance and mentorship. So if you have not joined the Telegram channel, you can check the description box below. I'm going to leave the Telegram channel there, and you can just click on it and join the Telegram channel. It is completely free, and you get all this for free. Even all this I'm doing now is for free. So guys, let's go into it. So what's a prop firm? A prop firm, I can call it firm that they come together. I'm going to say it in the way I understand it. I'm not cramming any English up here. So a firm that all what they do is that they provide fund capital for traders to trade for them, and then they split the profit. Is that clear enough? What they do is that they provide capital, they provide the money, they provide the funds for you as a trader who don't have that funds to use it to trade for them, and you split the profits. And usually the profit of the trader should always be more than the profit of the proprietary firm. We're going to look into all of that today, guys. So one after the other. So I think we've covered what a prop firm is. A prop firm, we have a lot of them outside there. We have a lot of them, many. They are fake ones, they are genuine ones. And I'm not here to talk about the fake ones here. I'm only here to talk about the genuine ones. I've done the research. And another thing you guys should know is that out of the genuine ones, there are some things I'm going to still look at one after the other, looking at the qualities. What are the advantages of this over this, advantages of this over this, and finally we're going to resort to a particular prop firm you're going to be, that has a lot of values, advantages over all other proprietary firm. So now the next one is the importance of a prop firm. Now guys, the importance of prop firm. So let's reason together with this. As a trader, for you to be a profitable trader, I've always trained this in my Telegram channel. As a trader, for you to be a profitable trader, one of those things, aside from the strategy, aside from you mastering your strategy, you have a very profitable strategy. That's not all. You have a very good risk management. That's not all. You have a good psychology, all the mental aspect that you have to put in place when you're trading. That's not all. Another very important key when you want to be a profitable trader is having a very big capital to trade, like having a big account to trade. Did you know that the 0.01 lot size have never made anybody to be rich or wealthy in this forex business before? If you have anybody that's been rich and wealthy with 0.01 lot size, you could let me know. No one has actually been very, very successful trading with 0.01 lot size. You've got to use a standard lot size. You've got to use a standard lot size, 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, depending on your account size. You've got to use, you can use up to 200 standard lot size. I've seen people do that. Do you understand? So for you to be able to use 200 standard lot size or standard, let me just say everything is under standard. You know, we have standard lot size, we have micro standard, we have mini standard. But guess what, guys? You can have an $100 account, $200 account, $500 account, and you feel you want to use one standard lot size. That would be over leveraging, that would be risking too much, that would be tantamount to losing or blowing that account. Do you understand? So for you to be able to use a standard lot size, one standard lot size, that's 1.00 lot size when you're trading. For my own standard, I would say that account must start with maybe $10,000 for you to use a standard lot size, one standard lot size. In my standard, I would say a $10,000 account. With that, you can use one standard lot size conveniently, comfortably. Do you understand? And then you can allow the market to do whatever you want to do, and then the market will finally go into your favor, guys. So this is the importance of prop firm. I'm going to now emphasize on it now. The importance of prop firm is that a lot of traders, especially from the part of the country that I come from, this Africa, Nigeria, for you to have as a new we just starting up, for you to have that fund that will make you to use a standard lot size, a lot of us don't have it. We need a leverage to be able to meet up on time. You understand, guys? We need a leverage to be able to meet up on time. So one of those leverage is by using a prop firm. You don't have the money, but you have the knowledge, and that's why the knowledge is very important. Join my Telegram channel. I give free knowledge. You can ask, always DM me. By God's grace, 2023, I'll start teaching the knowledge here on YouTube, for free. How to trade, how to, even if you go into my YouTube video right now, you will see that I've taught some basics and then some strategy that you can actually use in trading forex market. Aside from binary, I don't do binary anymore. I've moved on to trading forex, and I'm very, very good with forex trading. Even I've taught some strategy on forex trading too. So, and I've seen people who have practiced that forex trading and have come to me and be like, what you taught in that YouTube video is what I practice, and I'm making profit with it. So it works. All strategy works. All strategy works. So now, guys, to furthermore what the importance of prop firm, the importance of prop firm cannot be overemphasized, because in this part of the country, as a new trader, you need to leverage on these people. Why? Because they have the funds. They are going to provide you with, the minimum prop firm I've ever seen is one providing $5,000 account. You have $5,000 account, you have $10,000 account, you have $25,000, you have $50,000, you have $100,000, up till like $400,000. Some firm will even allow you to merge. You can buy double account. You can buy a $400 account and buy like $200,000 account and merge that $600, and then some even take it up to $1 million and things like that. So depending on how crazy and how risky and how big your goal and your dream is. So guys, since we don't have that $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 for us to be able to use a very good lot size when we're trading, then we can actually leverage on this prop firm. That's their importance. They have the funds that you need to actually make it big in this forex business. But you don't have the funds, but you have the knowledge, or probably you leverage. You have to be smart in 2022. 2023 is almost here. You have to be smarter. You can be learning forex and might not have been profitable with your own knowledge. Yes, it happens. If you are not still profitable with your own knowledge, doesn't mean you can't make good money from forex. This is it. For example, I provide free signals in my Telegram channel. So even if you are still learning your own skill to be an independent, profitable trader, you can still leverage on people who are already into it, who have the knowledge already, who are profitable already. You take their signals, the trade ideas they gave to you, you trade it. All you need to have is the basis of how to take the trade, and if you have the basics of how to take the trade, they provide you the signal, you take it, and after you take the signal, probably if you are smarter, you just take a proprietary firm, maybe $100,000 account, and you take, you join my Telegram channel, and I provide you with free signals, and then you take the signals, you use it to trade your proprietary firm, and then you make money, like you make serious money. You can, if you're trading $100,000 accounts, withdrawing $5,000 profit, withdrawing $10,000 profit is very achievable. Do you understand, guys? Imagine you trading an $100,000 account. Guess what, guys? You are going to actually be confident to use a standard lot size, and then before you know it, in a day you can give yourself a target by making $1,000 a day because you're just starting out. And then before you know it, within a month, let's say you are trading 5 times a day, 5 times a week, so you can actually make like $5,000 a week. And then at the end of a month, maybe you traded like, we have 4 weeks in a month, that's like $20,000 is very possible. And in some days, maybe you took a loss. Even with that, you augment everything. At the end of the day, you're still going to, it can't be worse that at least you still be able to withdraw like $5,000 to $10,000 every month to start with. I've seen people who trade $100,000 account and withdraw $50,000 profit. I've seen people who have flipped that account, and then I have done it before, flip $100,000 account to $400,000 account, guys. So that is why I'm saying this. You have to be smart and smarter. We are going to 2023. Even if you are still learning the forex knowledge, you can leverage on people that have paid the price. You can leverage on the signals, and at the same time, you can leverage on this proprietary firm. Learn the basis of trading, take their signals, use it on your proprietary firm, and withdraw good money while you are busy studying and growing with your own independent skill. So for you to be able to make it big in forex trading, you need a big account, and that's why the proprietary firm is important. And guys, this is a free value that I'm giving to you right now. Take it, okay? If you have $100 account, fine. If you have $200 account, fine. You can only take some certain lot size on it. Some certain lot size. You can, for me, as if you have an $100 account, you can't use more than 0.02 on a trade. That's the highest I would advise you to take, 0.02. So okay, let me analyze something about lot size for you if you are new to trading. Now, if you want to understand how lot size works, this is how it works. Now, it's zero. Market goes up, you buy or you sell. So if you are selling, for instance, you expect the market to keep going down. If you are buying, you expect the market to keep going up. So now let's say you are buying. So as you buy, maybe you are buying a currency, maybe you are buying gold, or you are buying maybe GBP USD, and you want the price to continue going up because you are buying. So now as the price is going up in your direction, every movement of the going up, of the price going up, is calculated as pips. PIPS is calculated as pips. So every movement is 1 pip. Pip, like that. That's 1 pips. That's pips. Now guys, this is how lot size work. Of every pip that the market will move in your direction or against you, anyone. But let's be positive here. Let's talk about in your direction. If the market is going in your direction, guess what, guys? At every pip, 0.01 will give you 10 cents. So if the market move 10 pips, that is when you will be able to make $1. So if the market move 10 pips, as 0.01 you make $1. The same 10 pips, this when you know that using big lot size is how one can be very profitable in trading, but with a big account. If you use 0.01, 10 pips will give you $1. If you use 0.10, 10 pips on 0.10 will give you $10. The same 10 pips that give $0.011 profit, we give $0.1010 profit, and we give $1.00 profit. If the market is going in the other direction, like it's not going in your direction, that's how you bear the loss too. If you have $100 account, using 1.00 standard lot size will not make any sense at all, because 10 pips, market can just go 10 pips in the other way direction before start going in your direction. So that means you've lost that account and the market will still go in your direction. So it is always making sense. Let's say you have a $10,000 account and you use 1.00 lot size. Even if the market go 50 pips against you, 50 pips is going to give you 500, is going to be minus $500. Even after that 50 pips against you, the market now later go in your direction. Maybe you lost that 50, you lost that first trade, you later took some trade again. Maybe you now make a profit about 100 pips, 200 pips. You can make a 200 pips at one trade. 200 pips will give you how much, guys? If 10 pips is going to give you $100, that's 100 pips is going to give you what? $1,000. 200 pips is going to give you $2,000. You can be very, very profitable in trading. If you cash an 100 pips as somebody using a standard lot size, 100 pips will give you $1,000. The person that is using mini lot size, that's 0.10, will get $100 profit, while the person using 0.01 will get $10 profit. You can see the difference, guys. The same trade, the same pips, but different lot size give us different results. So that is why it is always advisable you use a bigger lot size. But before you use a bigger lot size, you have to have a bigger account. If you are in my Telegram channel, I will give you precisely the kind of account you have to have before you are able to actually use the kind of lot size. So it is there in my Telegram channel. So that's that about that, guys. So let's go to who is a funded trader. That's the next one to talk about, guys. Who is a funded trader? Who is a funded trader? A funded trader is that person who is trading for a prop firm, who is trading with their money and making profit for it. You know, I'm a funded. If you hear I'm a funded trader, that means that person is actually trading a proprietary firm. It doesn't own its own capital. It's using their capital to trade, and they split profit at the end of the day. But the best profit splitting so far I've seen is either 70-30 or 80-20, meaning that the trader who is trading, you who is doing the trading, must be making like 70 to 80% of the profit, while the people that provided the fund for you to trade should be making either 30 or 20 of your profit. Do you understand, guys? So that's how that works. So the next one is going to be